What's up guys, Gavin Plays here, and today we're gonna be playing Escape Animal Head. And a lot of you guys know, this game was made by the same developer that made Escape Running Head. So let's play. Let's do this. Oh, they're like gorilla heads! Oh. They're like gorilla heads, okay. There's more here, right? Yeah, I hear them! Oh, I almost died, Oh my. Yeah, there's only 5 stages in this game. Okay, you can still jump on their heads. Like, you can jump on running heads too, but you can also jump on animal heads. There's only one down there, okay. I saw a big one. Wait. Oh my god. Oh, he's so big. I thought he had a bad hitbox though. Oh no. Hell no. I thought they had a jump scare. Apparently not. They don't see me right now. They don't see me. Oh, how did they know? Oh, they're right behind me. Okay. I'm on stage 2 now. Wait a second. If you can jump on here, and then that means can you glitch through the map? I want to see that. I have to line up the jumps. Bro, look what I'm doing right now. Did I just broke the game? Wait, is there a way out here? Is there a way out? Wait, no, I'm just stuck here now. Wait, no, I have to jump over. Bye. What? What is that? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, the head is chasing you. No, wait, now there's stacked like. Oh my god. A speck of dirt. A speck of dirt be like. Oh my. Wait a second. I'm recording. I shouldn't. Bro, what? Oh my. That's lame. Okay. I thought there was only one singular head, but they're stacked. Okay. Wait, is there like 3 of them? Like the ones in Escape Running Head? Probably. Oh, it's the things I know. Oh, no, it's not that one. It's not that one. Oh, I ran into it, but I didn't die. No, there's a trap. Oh my god, there's a trap. Oh. No! Yeah, I almost jumped there because there's an invisible wall. Oh, at the stage 3. Okay, stage 3. 2 more stages to go. Wait, this is like a 2D level. Okay. Ooh, this is nice. checkpoint. They don't even make the growling noises when they chase you. I don't know why now. I ran straight into the head, but I didn't die. Okay. No. No! Oh my god. Killy, 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 killy. No! Oh my god. Flying pad. Oh! Okay, I ran straight into that, but I didn't die. That was weird. Oh no. I almost fell. No! Oh my god. No! I ran faster than... No! Oh my god. Look how fast my body parts fell. Like, look. It's so fast. Oh my. We have to jump over that. Oh. No! God. Wait, this is actually so hard now. No! Oh my god. Wait, it's actually so hard. Wait, it's actually so hard. There's no way that 1% chance people are completing this. No! No! It didn't let me walk! Oh my... Oh, I almost fell there. Finally I made it. Is there jet? Hey, what? I glitched out of the map. Okay, you can do that too, but not that much. Ooh, we got even... No! I ran in the face! Oh my... No! I spawned sideways. Oh my... Oh, I almost fell. Good thing I climbed. It looked like a truss! Why is it so laggy? Oh my... It's so laggy right now. Dude, what? Oh my... It didn't even let me jump! Oh my... Okay, what the hell? What the hell? Oh my god. Oh! Okay. The hell is this? Oh my gosh. Oh hell no. Hell no, man. What the... Oh hell no, man. What the fudge, bro? I'm here. Yeah, because there was a head here. I went here all the way, going to here. No! No! Oh my god. My body parts. They like split in so perfectly. I like that. It's kind of satisfying. No! 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 It didn't let me jump! Oh my... Oh my god. We're gonna be here for a while. What is wrong with my screen? I need to get a new cell phone, probably. Actually, this is my new cell phone. It's an Infinix X665B. Well, my old phone, Realme, was broken. What the hell? No! Oh my god. Oh my god. No! Oh, okay. I almost died. Oh my god. What the hell is this? Oh, I fell. Oh my god. Okay, let's go. Oh, jump. Okay. No! Oh my god. Bro, Gavin Plays is actually... Oh my... Go! Oh my god. Finally, Gavin Plays made it to stage 5. Let's start. Wait, what does stage 5 look like? Is it like a glass maze? Is it like the glass maze, right? Oh, it's not. What is this? It's like, wait, it's like ice. This mute? Oh my god. Okay, I think you have to go across here and then make it to the end. I think there's a boss fight too. Dude, what? Oh my. What is wrong with the game, bro? It's so laggy. No! Jump! Oh my. What on earth is that? Jump! Oh my. You don't jump! Why is it so laggy? Oh. Why? Oh my god. Bro. Oh, okay. Why did I do that? Jump! Just jump, please. Okay, I think I have to stay jumping. Wait, not walking is faster. Or easier. Okay, now it's like a jump. Ooh. No! Oh my god. In the middle? Dude! Why? It's betraying me! Why am I so zoomed in? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness gracious! Oh my. Jump! Oh my. Oh, I thought I landed in there. What? You, what the? I'm gonna play it in the first person. I'm gonna play this in first person. Okay. It looks easier though if it's... What just happened? Oh my god. Killy, killy, killy. Ooh, I almost fell in the hole. I'm on the edge, I'm on the edge. No, don't be on the edge. I was perfectly in the middle. Yes! I beat it! Wait, I wanna listen to the full music. Oh, it's like... No. Wait a second. No! Oh my... Okay, we have to go all the way freaking back to this freaking start. Are you freaking kidding me? Ooh, I almost touched that. Stay in the middle. Not the edge. Oh. Dude, my body just flipped. Did you guys see that? Oh my goodness, bro. Oh, no. Oh my god. Literally, jump. Oh my god. Why are you not jumping? You character. Hey! Why? Oh, what? Are you freaking kidding me? Oh my. Oh my god. If I complete this, then the video ends, okay? If I complete this. Or I could rage quit anytime.